All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a brand new sheet and then add a drawing onto that sheet. So for me, the easiest way to make a new sheet is if I go down here to in the project browser where you see sheets. I don't have any sheets set up right now. So if I go to sheets, right click on it, I'm going to right click and then I'm going to go click on new sheet. So I can pick from all these different title blocks. You may or may not have these in your project, but let's say if I want to make a 22 by 34 D-size sheet, I just kind of highlight it. I'm gonna hit OK, and that brings me to my sheet here. Now also, I think maybe on the certification exam, it asks you to kind of load a new sheet, and then this is the area where the revisions are located. So if you had revision 1, you would make a description of what that revision was, and then the date that you made that revision. Revision 2, describe what that revision is, and then add the date to it. So that way they know that they have the most current, up-to-date drawing as far as construction goes. So that's kind of how the revision box is kind of laid out. So yeah, there's that. And so now to add a drawing onto your sheet, also, let's say I want to add the floor plan onto this new title block that I got. So I would go to level 1, and then I could just left click and hold the left click button down and just kind of drag it and drop it into my drawing here and just let go of it, and boom, there is my kind of first floor plan, or level 1. And you could add more than that if you wanted to move things around and add some more, but that's kind of how you would do that. So right now that's 1/16. So I have a big title block for a 1/16 drawing. So you might even want to I can go, let's say that I have a title block here, but let's say that I don't want that title block. So I'm gonna click the border here, and then I would go to the arrow, and I could change it to like a C size, and then it just kind of updates that title block. Move this one over. That looks a little bit more better. That looks more better. Anyway, so that's kind of how you would do that. So that's how you create a new sheet, add a drawing onto that sheet. Also, again, these are where the revisions would be located. So yeah, that's that.